Right over to Monica as we track those weather conditions, Monica.
And it's going to continue to be very warm for tomorrow. We started our stretch of 100s for many of us today. Sacramento 100 degrees this afternoon, 102 for Marysville. Oroville at 101, 98 for Stockton and Modesto. Low to mid 90s for Auburn, Placerville and Jackson. 80s up top for the Sierra. And that trend, as you can see, we've been on the way up with our temperatures. Average high 92. We reached that on Sunday, yesterday 94. Then we really started to see those warm conditions settle in today, and they continue under a pretty persistent weather pattern. What happens when we have this is our air quality starts to take a hit. We have a spare the air day in effect for tomorrow for the Sacramento region, including Sacramento, Placer and El Dorado counties with unhealthy for sensitive groups. And then for Stanislaus County, it's going to be unhealthy for sensitive groups as well. Now, spare the air days are called because of building ozone, but we're also adding in a little bit of smoke, and that's going to help contribute to more ozone building. Here's a look at the forecast for tomorrow. 70s along the coast. We've got hazy sunshine in the valley, highs in the 100s, same for the hills. Chance of thunderstorms for this year. That's starting to mix things up ever so slightly because, as you can see, today we had quite a bit of haziness over the lake. This was close to sunset, and it has that orangish glow indicating all of that particulate matter, that very fine smoke that we start to see, and it turns the sky kind of an eerie color. In the Gilmore backyard tonight, clear skies, 74 for Sacramento, 76 for Stockton. Modesto, we're at 82. We're at 81 for Marysville and 61 at Tahoe. So what's going to be happening over the next couple of days is high pressure is basically going to be dominating our entire weather pattern across the West Coast, including Washington, Oregon, through California. It's also going to be pulling in some of this moisture from the desert Southwest, that monsoonal flow. So we'll see those thunderstorms pop up potentially Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That would help wash out some of that smoke ever so slightly, but it also will bring the potential for new fire starts for the middle and end of the work week. Where we don't see any rain, the smoke's going to stick around because there's just not a whole lot of air moving out there. Highs will be right around 90 for Truckee and South Lake Tahoe. Pollock Pines at 94. A bit of smoke for Forest Hill and Auburn in the mid 90s to right around 100. 99 for Angels Camp and Sonora. Placerville 97. Arnold, we're at 95. Ione all the way up to 105. Quincy, we've got smoke at 100, and obviously smoke around Chester at 93 degrees where that Dixie fire is burning. Tahoe, the next 5 days, we've got hazy sunshine as well as the slight chance for some thunderstorms coming in, especially during the afternoon through Friday. Slight chance of a lingering shower into Saturday. Highs in the 60s for the coast, and then we get to about 100 there for Fairfield. 100s through the northern San Joaquin Valley, but morning lows are starting off in the mid 60s to near 70. There's not a lot of relief happening overnight for the next couple of evenings. Afternoon highs with the hazy sunshine. We're up to 108 tomorrow for Colusa, 107 for Woodland, Roseville 105, Folsom 104, Davis 106. A little cooler for Rio Vista, but not much, 98 degrees. And obviously 100s are more in the forecast for us. For the 10-day outlook, we've got 100s all the way through Sunday, it looks like right now. Could see a little bit of a break on Thursday, but then it's right back to the heat heading into the weekend.